Okay, here's the back side of the house. Doing this punch out work here. As you can see, the pool slab has been poured. It's not the final. We're gonna put a towel on here. I don't know what towel, so that's why I just said towel. Got the walkway down here. You can see it sloping away from the house a little bit here. Got the retaining wall that we built as well. Here's the walkway to this pool. It's gonna be a sliding glass door here. This is a drain that, you know, for the water to go in. Then we're gonna have our drain pipes in there. You can see the green drain pipes. They're gonna be cut down, obviously. And all this opening here is gonna be sliding glass door back here. This is gonna be covered. This is covered, but the sliding glass door is gonna be where that recess is. Okay, so here, it's gonna be a planter here. Same situation. Sliding glass door, covered, balcony up top, pool, splash pool right here. Okay, what he's digging out is what we formed up for. Yes, that's gonna be an umbrella stand. Don't ask me, but that's what they wanted. And then over here, we got some more pouring. We got some more AC pads to do, pool pads, things like that. So, digging this. I hope you're digging it, because this is what we do here at Darmac. So, stay tuned. There's gonna be a lot more. Peace.